If you want to improve your spoken English ability or skill, you should practice listening, because when you listen a song or any broadcast or any videos, then you not only improve your vocabulary but also improve your stock of word. So listening is more important to improve your spoken English ability. Hello friends, this is Rounak and you are watching Rounak Banerjee YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to tell about how I practice listening to improve my spoken English. I generally watch videos in English. I watch cartoon in English because I am in beginning stage. So if I watch any movies, so I can't understand their speaking because they speak very fast. It is very difficult to understand for me. So I listen videos kids level. It's help me. It's what is very simple and very easy to understand. So if you want to listen at the beginning stage, you should listen, you should watch very simple sentence, kids level sentence. So it helped me a lot to improve your spoken English. And if you at the intermediate stage, so you can listen any stories, any broadcast to improve your spoken English ability. So I listen 15 minutes, 20 minutes and daily to improve my stock of word and vocabulary and sentence making ability. So in the next video we will discuss about my speaking in practice. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like my videos. And until then, stay happy, healthy, and bye.